Hey guys, so I'm currently on the train with my god brother and I'm gonna get my nose re-pierced.
Crying? That sucks. I'm crying.
Does fall out, you should be able to get it back in. You know, the stem is so long.
Like, it took like 20 minutes.
Oh, you're so sweet. I just said I'm cute all of a sudden, and he said I wasn't cute 20 minutes ago. The sweetest brother there could ever be.
Hell yeah.
No, but like,
It looks nice.
it's mad red. Oh my
It's
lord.
red, but it's no blood. It's good.
Honestly, you filmed it, didn't you?
Yeah,
so you going like?
There was no blood.
I did bleed,
No,
bro.
you didn't. Look.
I think we have to go straight that way though.
Is it
Now,
that way?
about to fill it straight. Actually, I'm gonna catch y'all later because we have to find a place.
That vegan for the first time. I don't know how it's gonna taste. Hopefully it tastes good. I have no idea.
Vegan, especially from here. We're at By Chloe. Shout outs to Ashley for putting me on because it's delicious. It's so good. So he's gonna try it for the first time. The only reason I stopped being vegan was because I was going to London and Paris, and I didn't want to be vegan in London and Paris.
Why not? Just stick to it.
No, I wanted to try their cuisine just in general.
They had you taste now.
Boy, I've been eating them.
That's nasty.
You ate snails, bro?
Nah, that's nasty.
I'm gonna take you to eat.
Was it like?
I'm gonna take you to eat it. There's a restaurant down there
No, where?
to eat. Escargot. It's called
I'm
escargot.
not even man.
Yes, you are. It's good.
No, it's not. It don't even
I
sound
think
good.
that
It sound
I think that everybody in life should try something at least once because you only live once.
This is what I'm doing. This is my one thing, tasting vegan. I don't think I'm gonna taste that snail though. Yup, not doing it. I'm not doing it. Nope.
He's gonna try it, watch. And I'm gonna film it just for y'all
Yeah, I can
because
film it.
you want to talk about he not trying it.
It's all slimy.
It's so good. I should have got my tongue pierced.
Nah, you broke.
Nah, I don't like tongue piercing.
That's probably gonna hurt more.
I hate tongue piercings. I had it for like, I had my snake eyes for like a week, remember?
Oh yeah, you let it close.
Yeah. I had it for like a week.
Hey,
I didn't even let it heal. I was like, nope, I'm taking this shit out.
Did it hurt?
It chipped my tooth. And I wasn't able, like, I was still in school and stuff and I didn't feel professional. I didn't like it. It was not my type of piercing at all.
That's why I don't got no piercing. Y'all don't got no piercing.
So I need y'all to spam the comments. Telling him to get a tattoo.
All right, I'll get a tattoo. If I get 25 comments and get a tattoo, I'll go.
Y'all have to come through.
Yeah, then I'll do it.
Because he's a punk.
Hell yeah.
He's been trying to get a tattoo for like 10 years. I'm kidding. But literally, it's been a really long time. Almost 10 years.
Yeah, almost.
He literally went to the tattoo shop once and didn't get it.
I ain't get it.
He punked out.
I punked out. I admit it. I would say I did it. I'm not doing it. Nah. You hear the sound of the music?
I told him we was just in a tattoo, like
I
where
heard
I
that
got
noise. That's what I'm not doing in it.
Yeah. We was just at the tattoo shop. I was like, all right, let's get a matching tattoo, just a dot.
I was with it, just a dot.
No, you was not.
I told you, yeah.
No, you was not.
Okay.
All right, so let's go back.
To get a dot.
Wait.
Get a dot right here on my finger. Boom. See what it felt
Why
like.
would you get it on your finger?
What am I doing?
Oh my god.
Am I gonna
You know, we just gonna leave this vlog here.
Yeah, we're gonna leave it.
Cause we just talking nonsense at this point, and I'm gonna have a chat with him about tattoos.
25 comments, and I'll do it.
All right, peace, y'all.
Pray for me.